What happened? Puppy, why you always want to get in my videos? This is not your channel. This is my channel. Fame thirsty, bro. So this is the look that we're going to be doing today. I kind of experimented. I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I just knew that I wanted to do a cut crease look. Keep watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in with this color Haux from MAC. I think that's how you pronounce it, Haux. And we're going to use this as a transition color for our look. So I'm just really concentrating this into my crease and a little bit more upwards, not so much lower than my crease because we're gonna leave that alone. Then I'm gonna go in with these two colors from MAC 2, Fig 1 and Sketch. And these are two deep purple colors, and I'm just mixing them because Sketch is a little bit darker than Fig, but Fig is like the perfect purple that I wanted, and I'm focusing on putting that color into my crease and just building it up as much as possible. And I'm also like kind of taking it out a little bit, kind of like giving it that cat eye shape. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that as best as I can. Now we're going to use this color from the L'Oreal Lumi Glow palette, and this is going to be our brow highlight color, and we're just going to apply that and blend it downwards towards the purple. And with my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take a rounded concealer brush and saturate that brush completely, and I'm going to start carving out I'm going to carve out the lid. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to carve it out. What I do is I always look up. That way the concealer will get a little bit higher or wherever it's going to be, and that's because I want the cut crease to show when I have my eyes open. So that's going to give me a guideline of how high I want the concealer to be, and that's what I'm going to be working with. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in as I'm carving it out, and I'm going to bring that concealer out following the shape of the eyeshadow that I created, just like I'm doing here. And if you guys notice, I'm doing very short strokes. I'm not doing like one straight line at a time, just because I just want it to be really, really neat, and it's really hard to do if you just try to do it in one go. So definitely take your time. Then with our powder, you're gonna go ahead and set that concealer so that it doesn't crease anymore. Okay, then I grab my gel liner in black and I start doing my wing liner, and I want it to be almost the same length as the purple shadow. I want it to kind of match up a little bit, not too much, but that's basically it. I am not adding anything else to this look. This is a very simple, basic cut crease that still is a little bit more dramatic if that's what you're looking for. You can all definitely feel free to add glitter too next to that liner if you wanted to. Then I'm taking some black eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with Carbon, which is just black eyeshadow, and a pencil brush. And I'm going to start blending out the eyeliner with that Carbon to smoke out the look. I'm also going to go back in with Haux and apply it over the Carbon to give it more of that purple effect as well. And we're just going to keep smoking it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean up all the fallout as usual, which I love to do, make that nice and sharp. Curl my lashes and apply our lashes, which I'm using the Lilly lashes in Miami. Then with mascara, I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara only to my lashes. I'm not going to apply it on the falsies and on my bottom lashes as well. Now for our face, I'm going to go in with foundation, and I'm just going to apply that all over. I did only do one eye on camera for time's sake, so that's why the other side is done. I did that off camera just to save some time. Then apply our concealer, of course. This is going to make the look nice and clean. And I always take the concealer and apply it not only under my eyes, but also to the high points of my face. I do need to start doing more contouring and more bronzing, especially for when I'm lighter, which I guess I'll do that more in other videos as I get more comfortable on camera. So I'm just blending that out and making sure that it looks on point. And this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I'm loving right now. With my Makeup Forever translucent powder, I'm going to go back and set my under eye makeup and also my forehead, chin, or wherever I get oilier, because I don't want that area to crease throughout the day. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush. I'm using Blush Baby by MAC all over the apples of my cheeks. I just think like it complements the purple that we're wearing. Our highlighter, we're going to use Pretty Vulgar and Shimmering Swan, and apply that all over our cheeks and also on the bridge of our, or the middle of our nose. Is that the bridge of the nose? I don't know. My Cupid's bow. Also above my brows, wherever you want to apply your highlighter. Our 3 lip products, we're going to start off with our lip liner is London by NYX. I'm applying that all over our lips. My lips are a little stained because of a lipstick that I was wearing. I can't remember the brands, but yeah, that's why they look so pink. Then I'm going to go in with Bronx by MAC, which is this beautiful nude lipstick that I absolutely love, and it's perfect for bold eyes like this. And then we're going to go in with our Neutrogena Hydro Boost in Almond Nude and apply that all over. And we're basically done. Set our makeup with our setting spray. And this is the finished eye look. Really simple, nothing crazy, but you guys literally saw how easy it was to do. So yeah, I hope that you guys are feeling inspired to recreate this and you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, like the video if you liked it, and as usual, thank you for watching and I love you guys. Talk to you soon.